for one of the hives. Maybe it actually came out of one of these little nuke boxes that were full of swarm queens. Maybe it's an after swarm like that. I came out here to check on that swarm, and I don't want to make you all sick by going too fast. And I find this one. All right, well, Lord, looks like you gave me my working detail schedule list of things I need to get done right now.
Down in Pennsyltucky, there's a little bee farm where the honey's sweet and the bees are warm. Ooh, yeah. Every summer day they're buzzing around, making golden honey that'll leave you spellbound. Buzzing in PennsyltuckyBees in the air. They're busy as can be, they don't have a care. Singing sweet melodies that sing a long call. Come on down to the bee farm, join in the song. Down in Pennsyltucky, there's a little bee farm where the honey's sweet and the bees are warm. Ooh, yeah. Every summer day they're buzzing around, making golden honey that'll leave you spellbound.
All right, here we are in this autumn olive bush tree, looking at these bees. No, you guys, are you on 2 branches? I don't want that. Well, I guess it don't matter. Maybe this will work out. Let's see if I can get this box. All right, now see, when you got to pick up, make sure, and you're going to do this, make sure you keep your windows closed. Want to know why? It's kind of obvious. I've done this before, and I've had bees fall in there. So, ow, all right. Now let's see how we can do this. All right, let's see if we can do it now. All right, bring this over here. Bring this down. Oh, man. Yeah, I hear you, ladies. I know. I got two. We've got two branches here. One of you's got pollen with you. Look at that. Oh, this is not working right. Well, the only thing to do now is do that. And as you see, I got half of them on the freaking deck. That's no good. Shucks. Tumble. No, I did piss some bees off. Oh, yeah. I bumped their hive. Oh, I know, ladies. I fell at your hive. All right, I'm leaving. I know. So, you think I'm going to make them mad? I might. They seem to be bopping around me here. Queen must be there. They're all like wanting to go in. You see, bee brushless come in handy every now and then. All right, now let's see if I can put a few frames in here. What fell in there, huh? Can I see what fell? A bunch of twigs. That's what it looks like. Get some frames in there. Don't want to squish them anymore. Don't want to start killing them, bugging them, then they're not going to like that. This is where I want them to be, obviously. I don't want them to be in the back of my pickup. All right. Can we get the last one in, or do we need to leave it out? There's something down there. I think it's a twig. Come on. There's a twig there. I know that. There we go. And of course, what did I forget? I forgot the lid. See if we can fall down again. Oh, Lord, have mercy on it. Oh, poor old dome. All right, well, here we go. Well, we got a lid. Gotta put that on. Make sure we get as many sticks out as we can. I'll put this lid down. And I'm gonna need to, lightly tap them. Come on. Come on, ladies. In or out. Maybe something like this even. Slide it sideways. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do, hi my lady. Oh, what do we got here? Look at her. Can we see her? Yeah, we can see her. Look at that, I think. Here's my camera. She's not stinging me, none of them have stung me. So, I think that's good. Okay, so there we are. I'm gonna leave this like this for a little while. See if I can't get a lot of them to move back in. Because if they move back in, be a lot easier. So I'll give them about an hour, come back out and move them since I got some time, get some other things done. But this was high priority on my list today. So now I need to get down again. Hopefully I don't fall down a third time. Woohoo! I did. Well, what I also really need to do is I really need to weed eat this out here. Only reason I'm hesitant on doing it is because I have so many nukes and so many queens possibly going to be flying back after this beautiful weather. They've hatched out. This is a beautiful day for them to go and get mated. And I'm just worried if I change the landscape too much. If I change the landscape too much, they may miscalculate, where they are. I mean, if they go into a different hive, I don't care as long as they don't have a queen in it already. I don't care what hive they go into as long as they requeen it. But I don't want to cause them to get lost or anything like that. But I'm sure they're a lot more intelligent and know what they're doing more than I do. So maybe we'll just have to bite the bullet and get into this, because otherwise it's just going to continue to get really bad. All right, well, it looks like they've all calmed down, found a way in one way or the other. And I'm going to try now to move them off the back of the truck to a different spot. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And there they go. Here they are. Oh, let's get a brick. Look at that. Found a brick laying in the grass. I wonder why. There we go. Okay. Well. There we go. Come on out of there, you. Oh. There we go. Another swarm hive, Pennsyltucky. There we go. Another swarm caught hive, PennsyltuckyBees style. Okay, anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all take care. God bless. And we'll see y'all soon. Bye-bye.
And the bees hum a melody nobody knows. Oh, the buzz of the bees is music to my soul. They're the sweetest singers I'll ever know. In PennsyltuckyBees, you can hear them sing their harmony. It's the sound of nature's wings. On warm summer days, they work on more, sip the nectar from the flowers, sweet as corn. They're nature's dancers in perfect tune, creating golden honey kissed by the moons. In the fields of PennsyltuckyBees, where the wildflowers sway in the gentle breeze, there's a little fun where the honey flows and